Let's see the question number 11. The difference between amylose and amylopectin is amylopectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 alpha linkage. Second, amylose have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. Third, amylose is made up of glucose and galactose. Fourth, pectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. Okay, so amylose and amylopectin are polymers of a alpha D glucose. So beta linkage is not possible. Okay, amylose is linear with 1 to 4 alpha linkage. Amylose only have linkage of 1 to 4 alpha linkage. Okay, but does not have this, so second is wrong and this is also wrong. It's made up of glucose or galactose. Okay, whereas amylopectin is branched and has both 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 alpha linkage. So in options first both are alpha linkage, but in option 4 there is 1 alpha linkage and 1 beta linkage. So beta linkage is not possible because both are polymers of a alpha D glucose. So this is the correct answer and this is also wrong. Let's see what next slide. Yeah, first is correct.